If you ask Grok to generate a video, then it will give you the message saying it cannot generate video. But there is a trick to generate videos in Grok. By the way, this is a free account. Let's generate a photo first. I will use a very simple prompt, a cat with bee wings. It generates 2 photos. Let's click on the second one. Now you can see there's an option for creating videos. Click here, then again click on make videos. It will automatically start to generate a video, but we can add prompt here. I will write here, make the cat fly with bee wings. To use this new prompt, click on the play icon. It will start to generate according to the new prompt. Wait few seconds and the video will be ready to play. It also adds sound. You can make videos from original photography. It doesn't have to be a generated photo, but there is a trick. Suppose I want to make this still photo a video. First upload the photo in Grok. We don't want to make any changes to the photo. We just want to make a video using this photo. So use a prompt that doesn't ask Grok to change anything. For example, make the photo sharper. Now like before, you can generate a video from it. Click the photo and then click on make video. I want her to walk towards the camera. Now hit the play icon. Wait few seconds and the video will be ready for you. The videos will be 6 seconds long and you can make 20 videos a day. For a free account, that's a pretty good deal. So this is how you can generate free videos in Grok.